Runaway Robot. Hi everyone, thanks for coming so fast. Adventure Bay is preparing for its anniversary celebration. However, Harold has used the meteor to control a giant robot. He has lost control and it's scaring the citizens. Keep everyone safe and deactivate Harold's robot as soon as possible. Use Chase's megaphone to guide the citizens to the safe area. Sky's helicopter can help rescue people who may be trapped and can't reach the safe zone. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Chase. Sky. Wow! Harold's robot has caused a lot of damage to the town hall. While they're distracted, let's get everyone to a safe place. Let's go! Megaphone. Press the triangle button to activate the megaphone and have the others follow. Remember, good job! Try to get as many pup treats as you can. Possum, you have a bag of pup treats. Each bag has 3 treats. Amazing! You're doing great! Possum, you found the first badge! Sky! We need Sky for this rescue. Chase! We need Sky for this rescue. We need Chase for this mission. Wow! You almost have all the pup treats. Well done! Now, take the citizen to the safe zone. Good Keep it up! There are still more people to rescue, and they're counting on you. Sky! We need Sky for this rescue. We need Chase mission. Congratulations! You've got all the pup treats. Great job! Just one more badge to find. Well done! Now, take the citizen to the safe zone. You did it! Just one more citizen to rescue. Let's go! Well done! Now, take the citizen to the safe zone.
Yay!
Good job, team! You did it! Everyone is safe! Oh no! Another citizen is trapped! We need to help him. Sky! Help Sky use her helicopter to rescue the citizen and get them to safety. Rescue the citizen. Use the left stick to move to the left or right until it is in the correct position.
Yay!
Awesome! You saved everyone! Now it's time to stop Harold's... The meteor is the source of the robot's energy. We need to remove it from the robot's back. Use Marshall's mighty heat to heat up the robot's armor. Paw Patrol is on a roll! It's Suma's turn. Use his water power. incredible! Here's our chance! Chase! Amazing! Help Sky charge her mighty whirlwind power and direct it towards the robot so that it loses its balance. Well done! The robot won't stop moving. Use everything. Icy breath. Move the left stick to the right to fill the Everest was amazing! It's Rubble's turn. Use his super strength to open the robot's backpack and... Jump! There's the meteor! Help rock! Incredible! Your teamwork has saved Adventure Bay! Remember, whenever you have robot trouble, just